in this video I want to show you how to restore app preferences in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10. First you need to open your setting in your phone and then scroll down and find the app. Click on it, then select the Manage Apps, wait for loading and then click on the three dots on the top right of your screen. Click on it and then select Reset App Preferences. Here we see this will reset all preferences for disabled apps notifications, default apps, background data for apps, and we see you will not lose any app data on your phone. And this all, click on the Reset Apps button and all. Goodbye.